friends, today we are going to make capsicum tawa fry. The best part of this recipe is it's quick, crisp and definitely tasty. For this I have taken a capsicum, washed it and cut into pieces like this, as you can see here. The other ingredients are, I have taken goda masala, red chili powder, turmeric and salt, oil to cook and little water. The other two ingredients are rice flour and chickpeas flour. You can take this in the same quantity. So I am going to mix first these dry ingredients all together. Now when this is mixed properly, I am going to add little water to it. We don't want a very thin paste. I'm going to apply this paste to the capsicum, so it should have a consistency that it could stick to the capsicum. And I think this is good to go. Now I will take the capsicums and I will apply this paste to it. Now here I have kept a pan to heat. Now I am going to mix this both flour. This is quick because the capsicum does not need much time to cook. And also this recipe needs very less ingredients. Hence it gets ready in no time. This is crisp because we are going to apply this dry mixture as a coating to the capsicum. So the rice flour makes it very crisp. All our spices makes it very tasty. Now the pan is heated up and I am going to add a dash of oil. Spread it. And now I am going to dip this capsicum into this dry flour and get it coated nicely with this mixture. Now here the oil is heated up and I am going to place this on the pan. Keep the flame low. And we will close it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we have to flip them. As here you can see, this is not have got cooked, so we will apply little oil to it. If you see any such pieces, just apply little oil to it. This piece also needs some oil application. Just take precaution not to burn the spices or the coating. So keep an eye on it. And this will be done in next 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we will flip it again. These two pieces only needs to be cooked on the other side. Otherwise our rest pieces are almost done. Off the gas, and I am going to take out the pieces which are done. Now you can take out this as well, and our capsicum tawa fry is ready to eat. I hope you like it. Try this recipe and let me know